Alright, I have a tool here that works really well in putting ICs into PC boards. This way right in here, you can see the gap to line it up just perfectly, swimming around, possibly do some damage to the IC. This tool in here is really cool. Take a look at that. It's a plunger. Well, the IC fits in here. There's just enough tension in here to move those pins inward, putting the right amount of pressure in there. So first of all, you line it up to where you'd like the IC to be. Put it right over the chip, push down, keeps it in place. You can see how these pins have came together a little bit. Then you mount it over your board. Over the correct holes that you've prescribed. You have a really good contact. I mean, the chip fit in right there, first shot, first attempt. Then you give it a little plunge. Puts the IC in. Do it like that. Voila! There you have it. Then you're ready to solder that in. I also tested this out. Did have a little resistance there coming out of there. I also tested this out on a breadboard. I'm going to introduce you to this breadboard in here. Do that one more time. There's the IC. Still has enough firm. There's the teeth. You can feel the teeth on the breadboard. Push it in. There you have it. That is in there. Incredibly good, really strong. Okay, yeah, that was in there really well. Well, this has been a quick demonstration of this product of putting ICs. You can do 14 pin and 20 pin. There's a link to the product in a description below. Go to the website if you're interested in purchasing this. I think we have about 15, 16, maybe 20 of these available, so they won't be around for long.